So now let's look at review of portfolio. So this is the section where you look at your portfolio with your appraiser and you fill in the general comments on the portfolio. Or alternatively, you can fill them in yourself before your appraisal. So you can look at your portfolio and put in new achievements or new things that you've done in the last year which you feel should be mentioned in your appraisal from your portfolio. You've also got review of workplace-based assessments. So this could include things like mini KECs, which also can be imported from your portfolio as well. Once you've done that, you can mark as done.